Another hands-on video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has just surfaced online, and it gives one of the clearest looks yet at Samsung's upcoming flagship phone. The short leaked clip focuses mainly on the rear design of the device, and it reveals some interesting changes compared to the previous Ultra models. In the video, the Galaxy S26 Ultra appears in a matte silver or soft white finish. The color looks very clean and premium, and it reflects light in a smooth and subtle way. There are no flashy patterns or heavy textures on the back. Samsung has clearly gone for a more minimal and elegant look this year. The only branding visible is a small Samsung logo placed neatly near the bottom of the phone. The biggest highlight of this leaked hands-on video is the brand new camera design. Samsung has changed the entire camera layout for the S26 Ultra. Instead of the separate floating camera rings seen on earlier models, this phone now features a vertical pill-shaped camera island. Inside this pill-shaped module, 3 main camera sensors are placed in a straight line. Next to this main camera island, 2 extra cutouts can also be seen on the right side. These are expected to be for an additional telephoto camera sensor and a sensor for advanced focusing or depth measurement. This new arrangement makes the back of the phone look more organized and structured than before. Another noticeable change is the camera rings themselves. They now come with a metallic finish, which replaces the older floating ring design used on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This gives the entire camera module a more solid and premium appearance. The camera bump is still clearly visible, but the new layered design helps it blend better with the overall body of the phone. The design changes are not limited to just the back panel. The leaked video also shows that Samsung has slightly rounded the corners of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is a clear shift away from the sharp, boxy Ultra designs that Samsung has used for the past few years. The more curved corners should make the phone more comfortable to hold and easier to use. The side frame of the device is completely flat, just like recent Galaxy models. From the hands-on clip, the phone looks slim and well-balanced in the hand. It does not appear overly thick or heavy, which is good news for people who prefer large phones that still feel comfortable. Overall, this leaked video suggests that Samsung is aiming for a more mature and refined design with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Instead of making bold or experimental changes, the company seems to be focusing on clean aesthetics and premium build quality. Nothing about the design feels overdone, and every element looks carefully thought out. It is also important to remember that the device shown in the video is most likely a dummy unit and not the final retail version. Companies often use dummy models for early previews and accessories testing. However, these dummy units are usually very close to the real thing, so the final Galaxy S26 Ultra should look almost identical to what is seen here. As the official launch gets closer, more real-life hands-on photos and videos and the actual device are expected to appear online. Just like every year, leaks become more accurate and detailed in the final weeks before Samsung's Unpacked event. Apart from the design leaks, new information about the internal specifications of the Galaxy S26 series has also surfaced. According to recent reports, all Galaxy S26 models sold in the United States will use the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. In Europe and some other markets, the regular S26 and S26 Plus may use Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chip, but the Ultra model is expected to feature the Snapdragon processor worldwide. The displays on all 3 models are also shaping up to be impressive. The base Galaxy S26 will reportedly have a slightly larger 6.3-inch screen, plus an S26 Ultra will come with 6, 7-inch and 6.9-inch displays. All models are expected to support 120Hz refresh rates and use Samsung's AMOLED 2X technology with Gorilla Armor 2 protection. Battery and charging details have also leaked. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to feature a 5000 mAh battery with a big upgrade to 60W wired charging. This would be a major improvement over previous generations. The S26 Plus may support 45W charging, while the regular S26 is unfortunately rumored to be limited to only 2050W. When it comes to cameras, the hardware seems very similar to last year. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to keep the 200MP main camera, along with a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. While the numbers look familiar, Samsung may still improve image quality through better software and small hardware tweaks. At this point, almost everything about the Galaxy S26 Ultra seems to be falling into place. The design looks fresh, the performance is expected to be top tier, and Samsung appears confident with its overall direction. The official launch is expected to take place on February 25, so the full picture will be clear very soon. Until then, more leaks and hands-on videos are likely to keep appearing online. That's all the latest information available right now about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. More updates will be coming as soon as anything new is revealed. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all upcoming smartphone leaks and tech news, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.